Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care, specifically focusing on the best oils to repair and rejuvenate those luscious locks. Number 1. Argan Oil. First on our list is argan oil. Packed with vitamin E and fatty acids, it's like a superhero for damaged hair, promoting shine and elasticity. Number 2. Coconut oil. Next up, the versatile coconut oil. Its deep conditioning properties make it perfect for nourishing dry, brittle hair. It's like a tropical vacation for your strands. Number 3. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil, the mimicker of our natural scalp oils. It not only repairs, but also balances oil production, leaving your hair feeling revived and healthier. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, a kitchen staple and a hair hero. Rich in antioxidants, it can strengthen and add moisture to even the most damaged tresses. Number 5. Castor oil. Castor oil, the growth booster. It's not only great for repairing, but it also encourages hair growth, making it a fantastic addition to your hair care routine. Number 6. Almond oil. Almond oil, a gentle giant for damaged hair. It's light, non-greasy, and works wonders in softening and strengthening your locks. Number 7. Macadamia oil. Macadamia oil, a luxurious treat for your hair. Packed with nutrients, it can transform even the most damaged hair, leaving it silky and smooth. Number 8. Avocado oil. Avocado oil, not just for salads. It's rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, making it perfect for repairing and hydrating your hair. Number 9. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil, the regenerator. Its high concentration of vitamins A and C helps repair damaged hair and promote a healthy scalp. Number 10. Grapeseed oil. Last but not least, grapeseed oil. Lightweight and full of antioxidants, it can moisturize and strengthen your hair without weighing it down. There you have it, the top 10 oils to rescue and revive your hair. Experiment with these natural wonders and let your hair shine with health. Until next time, stay beautiful.